What's up, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Chucks and Booze. We got our Chucks. Boom. No booze this time. I got one of my beautiful girls with me this time. What's your name? Summer. And we are going to make one of my favorite childhood drinks that we used to have at the parties back in the 80s. And then we're also, what we're doing today is that we are going to turn this hunk of wood right there. We are going to try to make one of those cool little those little book mailboxes where people can grab a free book and drop off a free book. So we're going to put that together and we're just going to wing it and see what we come up with. We've never done this before, but I'm sure we can do it. But let's go and get our beverage cracking so we can get this started.
Hey, we're making juice today.
We're going to make some punch mixed with a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We used to have this all the time in the 80s at birthday parties. I don't think she's ever had it, but we're going to go on ahead. You see how strong my finger is? See how strong my finger is? So we're going to go ahead and get this going. You stay right here. Let me get the special stuff that we're going to need.
We're going to need this little lemon thing. It's like
we're going to need.
We're going to need orange juice.
Okay.
We're going to need like lemon. And we're going to need Gatorade.
That's not Gatorade. This is mango juice.
Yes, and mango juice.
We got the picture.
We need picture, and it kind of looks the same as the orange juice.
And then with our leftovers, we're going to make popsicles. All right, let's see this on here. Oh, we forgot. We're going to put fruit in there as well. Just this one. Okay, let's just quick. I don't know. Alright, so now, only thing we're going to do, start pouring this stuff in, mixing it on up. Alright, shake it up and tell the camera how it tastes.
It tastes delicious.
Alright, we are all set and ready to work on our project. Ready? Let's hit it. Alright, so.
Hi you guys, this is our nice drink, and we still have some more in the back, and today we're trying to make something for a book.
So this is what she drew up. Can you see that? She has a little bird on there and a house. I mean, even though this is for books, maybe a bird will go in there and want to live. Who knows? It's going to be off the chain.
Excuse me, I think I meant to put like a door on there.
Okay, all right. But anyways, this is what we're going to go off of. We're going to figure this out. We're going to make this library book mailbox.
And this is our drink that we have. We still have
What are we calling this?
Like a smoothie.
A smoothie. All right, let's do this. Chucks and Booze.
Cheers.
So we're prepping the wood right now. We just decided that we are going to make this 16 inches wide, about yay high, and that's all we got so far. But we're gonna have to cut this wood into a couple of strips. So we're gonna knock that out and we'll be back.
Yep.
Chilling, Sammy? Wave. A few more wood strips to cut and we good. All right.
are making the house, of course. And we are making the birdhouse next time. We were gonna make these many, but now we're making these many.
Slower, slower. Stop. What? Stop. Okay, stop. Now go. Stop. Good. Alright. So baby girl hung in there for a minute, but she got better things to do, like watch kids YouTube and play with dolls. So I'm gonna finish up this project. Thing is, when you're working with kids, it's a little bit slower, but it's not even about the time, it's about the quality time. So let me finish knocking this out. There she go knocking at the door. Yes, honey. You try and take off your chucks. You got this. Let's finish this up. This is about to be a big ass book mailbox. So I'm just gonna make this 14.5 inches high because we still gotta put that A-frame roof on this bad boy. So let me go ahead and get this stuff measured up. Alright, so we got the base complete. It is 16 inches high, 19.5 inches wide, and then 17.25, what is this, long, I guess? So I got some old board that I picked up from Home Depot a little while ago. It's only a buck on their clearance rack. I actually got a bunch of those sheets. I figured they would come in handy for something, and this is that something. So let me go ahead and measure them up, tack them on. Alright, here we are. We are finishing up. We just wrapped up for today. We still got to add a door on here. We got to put the A-frame roof on this thing. I have no idea how to do that, and I'm not going to Google it. I'm just going to wing it, and I think we're going to come up with something nice. So this is our library mailbox book giveaway / return if they return the books, right? Go ahead. But you want them to return the books. Or give you a better book. You want them to return your book. Alright. So that's a wrap for today. Until next time, we'll finish it up. We'll paint it all types of colors. What colors you gonna paint it? Talk loud so they can hear you. Alright, we're gonna paint the bird on it. So we gotta wrap it.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint the bird.
She's gonna paint the bird on it. So we're gonna wrap it up. Gotta cook dinner. Get this night cracking. Chucks and booze.